In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to depreciate and write off a fixed asset in Zoho Books. This process is essential for accurately managing your finances and ensuring your records reflect the current value of your assets. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, we need to navigate our way to the Accountant section in Zoho Books. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new journal. This is where we'll be recording the depreciation entry. Think of this as the starting point for documenting how your assets are gradually reducing in value over time due to wear and tear or obsolescence. Next, it's time to enter a date for the journal entry. This date should correspond to the period for which you're recording the depreciation, typically done monthly for accounting purposes. Alongside the date, you'll want to add a note. A simple label like monthly depreciation will suffice, providing context for anyone reviewing your records later on. Now, we move into the debit column. Here, select Depreciation Expense. This is the account that reflects the expense portion of your depreciation entry. Enter the amount that corresponds to the depreciation you're calculating for this period. If you're unsure of the amount, it might be a good idea to consult your depreciation schedule, usually determined by your asset's useful life and the method of depreciation you're using. Once you've got the debit side settled, we move over to the credit column. In this column, you'll want to select the asset account. This is the same account you used when initially recording the asset purchase. By crediting this account, you're reducing its book value, aligning your records with the asset's current worth. Essentially, this step balances out your depreciation expense, maintaining the integrity of your financial statements. Finally, once you've double-checked that all the details are accurate, like dates, amounts, and accounts, hit Save, or, if you're ready to finalize, select Save and Publish. By doing so, you ensure your changes are recorded and your depreciation journal entry is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded depreciation for a fixed asset in Zoho Books. Maintaining this practice regularly helps keep your financial records precise, ensuring your balance sheet accurately reflects the reduced value of your assets over time. If you follow each step carefully, you'll keep your accounting records in top shape, essential for financial reporting and compliance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your fixed assets efficiently.